Meaning of gnawing.
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 Gnawing. Gnawing is a verb that refers to the action of biting or chewing persistently, especially in a way that causes gradual erosion or destruction. This term is often used to describe physical sensations such as a persistent ache or hunger, usually focused in the stomach or digestive system. The sensation of gnawing can be uncomfortable and distracting, leading to a sense of unease or restlessness. In some cases, it may also indicate an underlying medical condition that requires attention and treatment. Overall, gnawing refers to a persistent, uncomfortable experience that gradually wears down or erodes over time.